2017 Audi RS7 performance. Few would call the 560 horsepower Audi RS7 underpowered. Yet Audi still felt it necessary to breathe more grunt into the RS7's twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine. Dubbed the Audi RS7 Performance, the 605 horsepower model was introduced last year. Its extra power comes courtesy of a new turbocharger design, more efficient intercooler heat exchangers, a reprogrammed engine computer, and revised camshafts that activate new exhaust valves. A maximum of 553 pounds-to-foot of torque is available from 2,500 revolutions per minute to 5,500 revolutions per minute in a temporary overboost mode. Normally, the engine makes 516 pounds-to-foot at 1,750 revolutions per minute and rides a wave that peaks at 6,000 revolutions per minute, 500 revolutions per minute higher than the standard car's peak and only 800 revolutions per minute short of redline. Win, place, show. Unleashing all 605 horses requires that the car's driving mode be in the dynamic setting or that the 8-speed automatic transmission's sport or manual mode be selected. In the latter mode, the driver can swap cogs by pushing and pulling on the shift lever or by pulling on the big but brittle feeling steering wheel mounted paddles. Switch to the comfort or auto driving modes and place the transmission in its default setting, though, and the RS7 Performance's engine opens the gate for only the basic spec 560 horses. At 4,487 pounds, our test car carried 34 extra pounds of machine compared with the last RS7 we tested, an insignificant increase in the face of the performance model's 45 additional thoroughbreds. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 3.2 seconds, 0 to 100 miles per hour requires 7.3, and the quarter mile zips by after 11.3 seconds, at which point the RS7 is traveling 125 miles per hour. Those figures are 0.2, 0.5, and 0.3 seconds better than the standard car, and the quarter mile trap speed is 2 miles per hour faster. A standard dual-mode exhaust system emits salacious songs when uncorked, but it actually reduced the performance model's decibels in our interior sound level measurement at idle, while the noise level at a steady 70 miles per hour remained the same. Mashing on the left pedal resulted in the performance's standard carbon ceramic brakes bringing the car to a halt from 70 miles per hour in 160 feet, 11 more than a Cadillac Quartz V and 17 feet greater than the distance recorded in the RS7 we tested previously. On our 300-foot skid pad, the Continental Conti Sport Contact 5P summer tires helped the all-wheel drive hatchback cling to pavement to the tune of 0.94 grams. Specific to the RS7 Performance is Audi's dynamic ride control suspension system. Unlike the standard RS7, which uses air springs, the RS7 Performance features traditional coil springs paired with a set of 3-mode adjustable dampers that are connected diagonally front to rear. When placed in the softest damper setting, comfort, the RS7 Performance's ride quality can induce backaches. Switch to the stiffest setting, dynamic, and you'll want to invest in a brace. The upside is that the Audi's body roll is kept to a minimum. The Audi Design Selection Package, exclusive to the RS7 Performance, adds striking blue inlays to the car's carbon fiber interior trim and blue stitching to the black leather and micro-suede seats. The package is a no-cost option, but it requires that you first spring for the $3,000 black micro-suede headliner. All RS7 Performance models come standard with 4-zone climate control, a sunroof, navigation, a head-up display, a 7.0-inch TFT instrument cluster, and an 8.0-inch infotainment screen that's controlled by Audi's MMI system. A $2,450 driver assistance package fitted to our test car added active safety items such as adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and automatic high-beam headlights. Notably missing from both the RS7 and RS7 Performance, though, is a center seat in the car's otherwise reasonably roomy back seat. As such, the RS7 can carry only 4 people. Those in need of 5-passenger seating should consider the Cadillac CTS-V or wait for the upcoming Mercedes-AMG E63S. What the RS7 lacks in maximum seating, however, it more than makes up for in cargo room, with 25 cubic feet of space available under the powered rear hatch, a figure that easily bests its main rivals and even tops Audi's A4 Allround wagon by 1 cubic foot. If the standard Audi RS7 is a chef's knife, then the RS7 Performance is a Santoku. Both are capable multi-purpose instruments, but the RS7 Performance is simply a more precise tool.